Gagawin na lang mga talawin dito. Yung mga ugo. Sabi ko kapiteriya.
Na ano?
Malapit sa bahayan.
Yeah, there are three here, three
Okay,
on the
we're
other side
leaving now. See, there's also,
too. 3 lanes on the other side.
yeah.
That's why.
Good morning everyone. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Delta. Papunta kami ng Victoria. So the only way we can go there ay magsasakay tayo ng barko. Roro boat. Roro boat. Ayan oh. Ayun ang bangka naming sasakyan. Malayo pa. Ang haba ng pila oh. All the way hanggang doon. Pero bago tayo pumunta doon, tayo muna ay titingin kung merong kape. Yan, dito tayo. Medyo malakas ngayon ang hangin, no? Pupunta tayo ng Island. 2 hours daw bago tayo makarating doon sa Victoria Island. Meron kasi doon famous na garden, pupuntahan natin yon mamaya. Sarado pa tong store na to. Yun. Kasi maaga pa, alas 5 lang ng umaga. So yung mga maglalakbay papunta doon, siguro mga alas 7 ng umaga magbubukas na. So marami palang mga paninda rito. Kaya lang sarado pa sila. It's still early. Tingnan natin dito sa kabila. Meron pa rin dyan palang. There's still another boat on the other side. Ayan, no? Malaki pala itong lugar na to. Ayan, no? Mga kanayon. Excited na ako makarating doon sa Victoria Island.
Wow.
Papasok na kami sa barko. Ayun.
Wow.
Kasama pa yung mga truck ng Presco.
Oo nga, no? Wow. Oh.
Marami pa.
I thought it's just like easy peasy. It's like, oh.
Ramp load limit 5,000 kilos.
Oh, look at that.
10 cars is
Lots of
not
them.
Wow. Too many of us.
That's the ramp. All the way.
Oh, malayo pa ang ano, no?
Ayan,
Victoria. Going to Victoria. Park. That's how we should park in. Ayan. We're gonna go roll on.
That's nice. We'll have signal.
Pasok, pasok. To the left, to the left, to the right. They give us direction. Oop.
Pointed to you and down. Deck number 3.
That's how big this
Roll.
roro boat.
Yes.
There.
Roll off.
Roll the car.
All cars is inside now. Here we go.
Oh, we're inside the ano now? Yeah. This is it?
Yeah.
Wow.
And there's more where that came.
Buying something?
Coffee for your dad.
Okay, we are leaving now. Palis na kami. Ayan. Palis na yung barko. Mukhang mabilis ang takbo ah. Tingnan natin nung wow. Oh. Restricted pala dito. Hindi tayo makakapunta. Woo! Very cold. Babayu! Babayu, Vancouver! See you, Victoria! Okay, let's go around. We'll check it out. How it goes. Ayan o. Okay ng barko. So I'll give you a tour over this roro boat. Oh, sorry. Oh, Kamandi.
Nandito ka pala.
Nag-tutor lang ako. Oh. We'll see. Oh, you cannot go out. No, you can't. There's no other way. Maybe to the other side. We'll check the other side of the boat. Super deep oh.
That's all soccer.
Let's go to the other side. Ah, this one you can see everything. Ayun, doon tayo galing. Ayun si Uncle, Uncle. Okay. How about you?
Exhaust pa lang.
Thank you very much.
Meron kayo nakuha ang ano. Okay, that's it. Okay, so punta naman tayo sa baba para makita yung
Dalawa na dalawa.
oh. Bilis ng takbo.
Oh, nalapian.
Good morning, passengers. This is Matthew from the French. We're talking to Captain Officer Group. We'd like to welcome you on board on the Queen of Transmission. This is departure tower bird.
Baba tayo dito.
Our estimated time of arrival for Fort Bay Terminal is going to be 0735. 0735, estimated time of arrival for Fort Bay Terminal. Thank you for your attention and listen for the following important safety announcements.
Okay, let's go and eat. Dito naman tayo sa kainan. Ayan, puno na yung kainan dito. Coastal Cafe. Oops, sorry.
Okay.
We're good. This one is the...
Tawag ko na. Tawag ko na sila. Kaso hintay lang kasi kita na yung siya.
Sabi ko kapeteria.
Ito naman may men's washroom.
Yes.
Oh no, we're going to
May store pa din pala dito sa loob. Pwede kang bumili. Ayun, oh. Talagang kahit saan mayroong gastos eh. Ayan. You can buy souvenir. Souvenir. Yan, oh. May souvenir pa. Queen of New Minister. Ayan. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. I think ito lang ang pwede natin puntahan. O sige. Pupunta naman natin mamaya yung pag malapit na tayo sa Victoria. Para makita natin yung ganda ng Victoria. Malapit sa bahayan. Ayun, ganda. Ang island. Marami palang pairing naglalakbay dito. Oh. Those are going back to Vancouver.
May I have your attention, please? This is a passenger announcement. We the driver of a black Cadillac Escalade parked on our upper vehicle deck, license plate CH4904. Would that driver please return to your vehicle and deactivate your alarm permanently? You may do so by manually locking your vehicle and not using your key fob. Or refer to your owner's manual. Your cooperation is greatly appreciated by your fellow passengers and our
Easy ferry. Malakas ang hangin dito. Oh, sinaulan. Eto, oh, malapit na kaming dumaong dito sa maulang Victoria. It's very very cold. And it's raining. Ayan, oh, bulan. Hindi pala kami makakapaggala sa Butcher Garden. Yung plano naming maggala ay magpupurnada pa dahil umuulan. We're getting closer to the dock. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this tour sa barko.
No, it's not yet. Going to Victoria.
Going to Victoria, BC. Dito sa Canada.
One of the
Ayan.
islands.
So, looks like hindi kami makakapamasyal dito
It's
sa
raining.
Butchart Garden kasi
Bushards, yeah.
Butchart Garden na purnada ng aming pamamasyal dito na ulan. Tingnan natin yung baba na lang. Ayan. Oh, galing. Ayan o. Kitang-kita yung ating dadaungan. Okay, so pupunta na kami dun sa aming sasakyan.
Going down.
Going down ng size.
So it's easy for us to come out.
Okay. Sa may yeah.
So we just have to go down. Yeah.
No, brother. One more. Okay. Mawasan muna kami.
Daddy and I keep just
Ito, so we're leaving now.
this one. Oh, we go to the next one.
Lapit na kaming dumaong sa barko.
Yeah, there are three here, three
Okay,
on the other
we're
side
leaving now. See, there's also
3 lanes on the other side.
Yeah.
That's why. Excuse me. Oh, boy.
Imagine all cars in a boat.
We should have asked check how many cars
Tesla
can this
pa.
boat, ferry
Hmm?
accommodate.
We'll ask them next time. This is person last out.
Philo.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, we're third in a row. Wow.
Babayu. Babayu, Westminster.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Land.
Wow! Tayo, reverse mo naman si Dan para kita tayo sa loob. Hello. Hello, hello.
Sunny Victoria.
Yeah. Sunny Victoria.
Yun. Oh. Sasakay naman yung
True lane.
nasa sa left lane.
True lane. Oh, they're going to Vancouver now.
Yeah.
All the way back. Wow.
With motorcycle. True lane.
Imagine, it'll take 4 hours from Vancouver to get here.
Yeah. I had to go back every week in March because I was practicing for my driver's test.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's how you
Got
do.
really annoying. Going back and forth, especially if your mom because if I couldn't get a ride here, then I had to bus for 2 hours just to go back to my house. So I have to
Yeah.
So where are we now? Are we in Victoria now?
We're in Victoria.
Your mom's present.
Okay, we are in Victoria now.
Oh yes.
Yeah, we're more so in Sydney now. Victoria is more down.
Ah, so this,
So this is more Sydney area, I would say. My friend lives around here. She moved out of her parents' house.
yeah. 30 kilometers from here is Victoria,
Yeah.
Sydney, yeah. Sydney and then
Sydney.
Victoria.
Yes, this is Swords Bay.
I thought as
Okay.
soon as you get off, that's Victoria.
No, we have to drive in. I live in Langford, so it's even lower. It's even further south. Yeah, so
Kind
we're
of
all the way
wet
here. This
and
is
raining.
Victoria. That's where
Oh.
I'm from. So every time I'd bus, or every time I'd have to come home, I'd have to take the bus, take the SkyTrain, and then take the ferry, and then take the bus back to my house.
Such sleepy weather.
I know, this is why I was depressed.
So most of the young generation in Victoria leaving Victoria.
He's asking if most of the young ones left Victoria, left the islands.
Not any of my friends. I would say a lot of people who I know actually
Stay back. Come back.
No, they stayed. They never left.
Oh,
They don't leave. Because they're all losers.
they stay in Victoria.
They just stay living with their parents